Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're opening a new printer, HP N5 Photo. The model is Easy Do It All 6234. Okay, we're gonna unbox this one, so see what's in the box. Let's do this together. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay. Okay. Right, all the way here. Okay. This has to be careful so not touch the printer. Okay, that's done. Okay, what we've got in the box is two inks, I think so. Is in the box. Some paperwork, a free sample or whatever, just to show you how to do it. We'll check it out and we see what we've got in the box. Okay, some of the
Wires.
wires, yeah. It's two different. One is a European, one is a UK one. 3 pen with the 2 pens. Okay, there's one European one. And what we've got in the box, we're going to put it over. This is okay. We're going to have what we've got. Okay, this is what we've got in the box. Okay, that's the printer itself, which is 70. It's looking good. Okay, all is packed, sealed. We'll open that and I see what we've got in the box. Okay. Looking good. It's good quality, yeah. So this is, by the way, is a printer. I think is a scanner. What this is it? And we'll check around here and I see wireless printer scanning copier. No bad. Photo. You can do install ink, so it's just a kind of offer, which you get 7 months trial. So each month you can get 300 pages, which is included. That is no bad, it's worth it. And if you want to print just at least 15 pages a month, if you just are not using a lot, so it's going to be free for a month. If you jump up from 15 to up to 60 or 70, it's going to be $1.99 a month. It's worth it, it's quite good, so you never run out the page, the inks from it. So this is all the function. ECTU. Gonna have that's all the box. Well, back here and see what else we got here. So it says printer, scanner and copier. So this is scanner one. Okay, no bad. And this is all, which is small, with a small screen. Copier. Okay, and this is what we got. So we're gonna come up with the next video and see what we have got. And once it starts set up, so we get the next video coming up. Thanks for watching. Now, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Bye.